Hello everyone, it's Beck here from Hello, my name is Beck, popping in to do Wreck This Journal Wednesday, week number 11. So I've chosen to do this page here, which says colour outside of the lines. The colour is spelt wrong. It's not British. It's obviously an American colour. So we're going to cover that up. So I've got black acrylic paint here on the left hand side. And I am just going around the edges. I have a piece of sketch paper underneath just to get the edge paint so that doesn't go onto the other pages of the book. And yeah, basically just taking some good old black paint. It was, well, it's currently 6:40 on Wednesday, and I am doing this straight after doing this page. So I did plan to do this page over the weekend or even the Monday or the Tuesday, but we have had absolutely torrential rain here in New South Wales, and so it's been raining literally non-stop, and I didn't get the opportunity to do this page. I wanted to have natural light rather than doing this with an overhead light. So I have taken the opportunity today because we have some sunshine. I was planning to do this straight after work, which I finish at 4 because I work in a school. I was planning to do it then, but my nail lady decided that instead of my appointment being tomorrow, she needed me to go today. So I said, yeah, sure, I'll go today. So I actually did this page after work and after my nail appointment. So, but I found it so relaxing. Oh, it's been so fun to just literally take black paint and cover these pages. It's it's such a mindful activity. I really enjoyed it. So I'm bringing in my blue paint here, and I realise it's way too blue, so I actually mix it in with the black. And yeah, so I just want to sort of create, rather than complete black page, I wanted to sort of make it more navy in the center. So here I go. I really did mix in the black there, and made it more of a navy, bringing that in on the page just so that the black was around the edge and then the navy sort of seeped into the middle. So I'm hoping by now you've guessed what I'm doing, but I will keep you in suspense a bit longer if you haven't guessed what I'm doing. So yeah, just I'm having a great week as well, guys. I just wanted to let you know I'm having a really good week. It's been a slow week. Like, I don't know why time has such a different perspective. Like, I feel like it should be Friday, but it's Wednesday. And I don't know whether that's because it has been raining and literally the kids have been stuck inside and not going out to play. But yeah, no, I've been really enjoying this week. So thank you for all the support that you gave me last week when I was feeling a bit down. So yeah, it was I'm really grateful for that support that you guys gave me. So bringing in the different colours here, we've got the turquoise, and then I'm bringing in that blue that I've used to make the navy. And I'm showing you there that I've got a different paintbrush. So the camera is wanting to focus in on the red handle, so I apologise the fact that it's actually making the page go out of focus in the background. It's wanting to focus on the red handle that's closer to the lens. But like I said, I'm hoping you know by now what I'm doing. So I'm taking those two colours and bringing them in on the top of the black and on top of the navy, and I'm just trying to create a very aura type painting here with the royal blue and the turquoise, so it's rather an aura that it's creating around the page. So yeah, I hope everyone else is doing really well. Let me know in the comments if you are, and how your week's going. Is it going fast? Is it going slow? One of the reasons I think it's going slow is because Easter is coming up next week. Next Friday is Good Friday for us. Well, I think it's Good Friday everywhere in the world. Don't be stupid, Beck. So yeah, I think it's because we're on the countdown now to school holidays, and I'm so excited because it means that I get to craft my heart out and also get into the garden. So I'm very, very excited about that. So I'm happy with the way that those colours turned out. I don't know whether you see what we're doing here. Fingers crossed you do. And then I bring in, if I find it, I think I have to go to the cupboard. Yeah, you can see my shadow. I'm going to the cupboard on the left. I bring in the black Posca paint pen here, just to finish off the line. I know that the line is red and that's what the book said, but I just wanted to make the line more defined by making it black. So I just go around the edge. I have sped this video up by 3, so I'm hoping that it's not too slow for you. It's actually only, I think, an 8 minute long video for Reckless Journal this week, so it's not too bad. Now I did go inside the line there. I don't know whether you noticed, but I went inside the line. Does anyone else do that? And then I just covered it up by actually running my black pen over it again. Eek. So I've made a mess of this page by going inside the line. So I really love how this page turned out. It was such therapy tonight, coming home and really enjoying it. Now I was using my finger to tap the pen against, and my finger was starting to hurt, and I also needed something to really hard tap the pen, so I actually used the black one and tapped the white pen against the black. So I love how this turned out. I'm hoping you guys do too. You'll have to let me know in the comments below. So I come in with the black Posca pen again, because you see those dots just there? They've landed on my perfect black line. So I come in just to finish up that black line again. Now I do have some dots inside the white circle, but I'm hoping that they will just dry and nobody will notice that they've landed inside. So give this video a like and a comment and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks. Bye.